Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I know I have been dormant on YouTube for a really long time now. I haven't posted anything since 3-4 weeks, I guess. But I literally had a lot going on, my visa interviews, and I have to go in January to college. So there's just 1 month left. So a lot of packing and shopping and all of that stuff, college stuff and home stuff and a lot of things. I've been really occupied, but finally I'm here with a new video. So recently I went for my F1 student visa interview appointment, which was on 20th, right? So I went with my family. My entire family went. We went on a road trip to Noida. It was really good because after a lot of time, we went on a family mini vacation or like a mini trip kind of thing, and it was really good. It has been really long since we've been on road trips, something like that. So we really enjoyed, and I tried making a vlog. I'll be honest, I tried, but it wasn't a very successful vlog as per what I think, because I was only able to make mini clips since I was always occupied checking my documents, checking my schedule and everything. So I wasn't really able to make a perfect smooth flowing vlog, but I tried to cover all the major events, everything important, everything fun. So I've in the coming few clips, you'll see that mini vlog kind of thing about all about our trip to Noida and Delhi. I hope you like it. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Alright guys, so we have finally reached the hotel, and it feels so good coming to a hotel after such a long time. I mean, we had been stuck at our houses for a long period now, and we hadn't been traveling anywhere, so it feels so good. And right now I'm just going to chill a bit, relax, lie down on this cozy bed and then we'll see what I have to do in the evening. I have my interview tomorrow, so today is going to be a complete rest and therapeutic day. Okay, so finally I've had my dinner. I have changed my clothes to my nightwear. I really wanted to get comfortable because I'm very tired now. I'm so tired. I did not even want to hold the mobile for the vlog. I've given my mobile to my sister to make this video. God, I'm so tired. So right now I'll probably sleep. Actually, I'm not going to sleep so early. It's 9:30. So I'll maybe for half an hour I'll watch TV or something like that, and then I'll go to sleep at around 10:30. So yeah, that's it for right now. Alright guys, so as you people know, I have my interview tomorrow, that visa interview. I'm not exactly nervous about it. I think I am almost confident. Yeah, I am almost confident. I think it'll be fine. It shouldn't be that big of a deal, obviously, though it is something very important and it should be a big deal. But I mean, I think it's going to be fine. But my sister, the younger one, yeah, this monster, she has decided to take a mock interview for me. And just a disclaimer, she is a very strict judge and a big critic. So I just hope Madam Vinisha, the interviewer, passes me. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. I'll show you little clips.
Why do you want to go to USA? Who's going to sponsor your education, huh? Why should I grant a US visa, huh? Miss Vartika,
Yes, ma'am.
I verified all your documents. Your visa is approved.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a muffin.
I would like to thank my parents, my counselor, my
Just
friends.
eat the muffin and get out of here. I don't have all day. Finally.
Alright, guys, so it's finally the interview day. I am so excited. I woke up at 6 today. Yeah, I woke up at 6 and then I've freshened up. I've changed to what I was supposed to wear. I'll soon show you my outfit. And I just hope things go well today. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing. This is one of the outfits that I have already shown you all in the Confessions of a Shopaholic video of mine. This is the same Van Heusen formal wear that I had bought, that I had originally gone to buy. If you haven't watched that video, you must go and watch that video. I'm sure a lot of girls can relate to this. Anyhow, so now I'm going to do my hair and makeup. Obviously, I wouldn't go too overboard with the makeup. I will keep it very, very subtle. And also my accessories, I'll just wear the earrings and I'll make it very, very subtle. Alright, so I'm finally ready. I have applied very light lipstick and very light kajal. Yeah, just a very thin line. And I think I'm good to go. I'm not sure about my hair, but I'll probably keep them like this. Or maybe I might just pin them up later on. But so far, this is it. And I've worn a sleek little watch. And my earrings are also like really, really elegant. You can see. Yeah. And yeah, this is the entire outfit that I'll be wearing. So, I'm excited. So guys, we've had our breakfast. We're all ready. Right now, my sister and I are roaming about in the hotel. Right now, we're in the roof and it's pretty nice here. I mean, it is sunny, but it is windy. Yeah, the wind is really chilly, but it feels so good because it's being balanced by the sun and the weather is really very nice. I am getting a very good start to my day. I hope it ends well as well. And yeah, that's about it. We are going to move out. We are going to move to the embassy after half an hour, I guess. Yeah, half an hour. So yeah, that's it.
Guys, I just got done with my interview. It just took me 20 minutes literally, and we started heading back to Lucknow again. We are on the road and we are trying to reach as fast as possible so that it does not get dark by the time we reach. And yeah, that's about it.
Alright, so we're tired of traveling and we've taken a small halt over here to have some food, freshen up, use the washroom and everything, because it's going to be a long journey after this and we won't get a proper place to halt now. So yeah, and we're hungry.
So we have feeded ourselves and feeded the car as well. And now we are all ready to hit the road again.
Okay, so that's it. We reached home between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock and directly went to our bathrooms to take a bath since we were coming from Noida and Delhi, and they are both places where there are high COVID cases right now, so safety first. Then we had a quick supper and did some recreation, watched TV or just roamed about in the house and went off to sleep at a decent hour because we were very, very tired and it was a very tiring day. But end of the day, I would really say that the day was worth it. It was a great day. I had a very nice visa experience. It was really amazing. It was really amazing. I mean, that's all I can say. And I'll tell you all about more about my visa interview experience, all the process, everything that happens inside the embassy, what all they ask, and everything about it, whatever you want, in a later video. So make sure you stay tuned. And I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was not very smooth, a little into pieces, but I think it was fine. Okay, sorry, I'm no one to tell that. Anyhow, I'll see you all in my next video. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.